welcome back to the Mellow Vybes channel. So, trying to be present and all, but this is some cool stuff. I'm at a farm. I just came from, I had breakfast with my friends earlier, and then I'm so shiny, oh gosh. And now we're at a family farm, well, just a couple of us, and there's like all these free activities and these animals. There are alpacas here called Dorothy, Sophia, and Brent, and here they are. I don't think I've ever seen alpacas like up close. Yeah, like in real life, I don't think I've seen them. And they're just chilling, and there's like a little hen in here too. And next door there is Thelma and Louise and their ponies, and there are some goats a little bit, well, outside of this in a different area. So it's nice. Got some like free apple cider, and yeah, this is nice. So, like free cookies and like soup, and like didn't know this was a thing, but this is a fall festival that is in Oakham, which is, I don't know, it's probably about a half hour from Worcester. Curly, Larry, and Mo. Well, it doesn't look like they're in here, but there's like hay rides and stuff like that too. So yeah, should be fun. So I'm here with my friends, Curly, Larry, and Mo, the Three Stooges.
Yeah, it's gonna be me. I'm not there.
Oh my gosh,
There's so much going
cute.
on.
Don't bite my hand though. Those eyes. Then you see his minus side, his minus
Yeah.
side. I've never seen that.
I'm not it.
Wow. Yeah, his eyes are freaky. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Don't eat my hair. I just washed it. You gotta pose for the camera, right?
How's your friend? Y'all look cute.
Are you coming over now?
Okay. Y'all ready? All three? Y'all all three? Or y'all? Time for y'all to like say goodbye.
It's chow time. Definitely didn't know they make sounds. We made it out to the chickens. And they all fit in this house.
guessing they use them to supply eggs or something.
Yeah. Yeah, they're selling eggs inside. Like, who else did attention?
I was like, because that's been around forever. Because remember, yeah, you used to volunteer with
Yeah.
the church, and then I think because Grace's dad's like, or her family, her her parents did the Mason Street shelter, that they had a connection. Because I feel like in National Honor Society,
Get upstairs. So, I'm above the animals right now. And so they had this where you could climb up a rope wall right there and then slide down over there. So cool. I can't wait to have a farm. Alright. We're leaving the farm. We got told that we had dreamy eyes by this Jamaican man. And yes, it was lovely.
yeah.
A lovely day of nice free activities and bonding with